Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to add page numbers in Excel. There are 3 different ways to do this. First method, go to the View tab and click on Page Layout. Here, you will see the header and footer sections at the top and bottom of the page. Click on any header or footer area, then go to the Header and Footer tab and click on Page Number. It will show Shack because the page is currently empty. Once you add content, it will automatically display page 1. If you want to show page 1 of total pages, type of, then click on Number of Pages from the Header and Footer tab. Second method, go to the Insert tab, click on Text, and then select Header and Footer. This will take you to the same header and footer area where you can add page numbers the same way as the first method. Third method, go to the Page Layout tab. In the Page Setup section, click on the small arrow icon in the bottom right corner. A dialog box will open. Click on Header Footer. Here you can choose whether to add page numbers in the header or footer. When you click on Custom Header or Custom Footer, you'll see options like Page 1, Current Page Number, Page 1 of, Current Page with Total Pages. You can also tick Different First Page if you don't want a page number on the first page. Click OK and the page numbers will be added. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.